What you're looking at now is not luxury, it's raw potential. An unfinished private jet lounge stripped down to concrete, dust, exposed surfaces, and industrial chaos. But beneath this empty shell, a cinematic transformation is about to begin. The process starts with precision. Every inch of concrete is professionally ground and prepared for adhesion. Workers carefully level imperfections, remove debris, and create the perfect foundation for a high-performance metallic epoxy system. This is where craftsmanship begins. Next comes the primer coat. A smooth, reflective base is rolled across the floor, sealing the surface and preparing it for the artistic metallic layers that will soon define the entire space. The room already starts to feel different, cleaner, sharper, more refined. Now the real transformation begins. Liquid metallic pigments in sapphire blue, silver, charcoal, and gold are carefully poured onto the surface. The colors flow organically, creating movement, depth, and natural marble-inspired energy across the floor. Every pattern is unique. No two designs are ever identical. Using specialized tools, the epoxy is manipulated by hand into dramatic flowing textures. The floor begins to resemble liquid stone, with reflective movement that changes depending on light and perspective. This isn't just flooring, it's functional art. As the epoxy levels itself, the room transforms into a mirror-like environment. Light reflects across the surface with incredible clarity. The once unfinished concrete floor now feels worthy of a luxury private aviation lounge. Every vein, every swirl, every reflection is refined manually by skilled installers. This level of detail is what separates premium metallic epoxy from ordinary coatings. Precision matters. With the artistic work complete, the floor begins its curing process. Construction materials are removed. Dust disappears. The space finally starts revealing its true identity. Now the room stands complete, an ultra-gloss metallic masterpiece reflecting every line of the architecture around it. The sapphire and silver marble effects create a futuristic luxury atmosphere unlike anything traditional flooring could ever achieve. Ambient lighting is introduced carefully to amplify the reflective depth of the epoxy surface. Warm highlights and soft shadows glide naturally across the floor, turning the entire lounge into a cinematic environment. Luxury ceiling elements and architectural lighting are installed to complement the high-gloss flooring below. Every surface now works together as part of a unified luxury design experience. Now the lounge begins coming to life. Premium furniture pieces are carried into the room by hand, each one positioned carefully to preserve the visibility of the metallic floor beneath. Seating areas are assembled piece by piece. The glossy epoxy reflects every movement, every shape, and every detail, enhancing the entire atmosphere of the room. A custom aviation-inspired luxury bar is installed, adding sophistication and social energy to the lounge environment. The reflections beneath it create a truly elite visual experience. Decor pieces, sculptures, and lighting accents are added gradually. Nothing appears instantly. Every detail is intentionally placed to create balance, warmth, and cinematic luxury. Soft premium carpets are introduced strategically to contrast against the mirror-like epoxy finish while still allowing the marble artwork beneath to remain visible. As daylight fades, the lounge enters its nighttime personality. LED lighting reflections glide across the sapphire metallic surface, creating a futuristic private aviation ambience. The floor now behaves almost like liquid glass. Every light source, architectural line, and movement reflects across the metallic surface with incredible realism and depth. Furniture positioning is finalized carefully. Every angle is adjusted by hand to maximize comfort, symmetry, and visual harmony throughout the lounge. The private jet lounge evolves into a luxury social environment. Warm lighting, reflective surfaces, and premium textures combine into a space designed for elite experiences. This is no longer just a room. It's an executive-level luxury destination where architecture, lighting, and metallic epoxy artistry merge together seamlessly. The final futuristic details are installed, enhancing the sleek aviation-inspired identity of the space. Modern luxury now surrounds every surface. The the transformation is complete. From unfinished construction to a world-class private jet lounge with a fully custom metallic epoxy masterpiece beneath every step. Dark chrome reflections and elite design details give the lounge a hypercar-inspired energy. Power, luxury, precision, all captured within one cinematic interior. What began as bare concrete has become a fully immersive luxury experience. A mirror-like metallic epoxy floor now defines the entire atmosphere of this private jet lounge, reflecting architecture, lighting, and motion with breathtaking realism. This is more than renovation. This is transformation.